Ah, alas, the food plane has landed in the Middle East, one of my top 3 favorite cuisines. The exact origins of hummus are debated, with claims from several Middle Eastern countries. Its history dates back centuries, with references to similar dishes found in ancient texts. Hummus has been enjoyed for thousands of years. Some sources dated back to ancient Egypt 4000 BCE. It's packed with protein, fiber, and healthy fats, and today we are going to make hummus. All right, here's what you'll need. Now let's talk about sumac, which may be a new ingredient to many people. Sumac is a spice made from the dried and ground berries of the sumac plant, commonly found in the Middle East. It has a tangy, lemony flavor and has been valued for its high antioxidant properties. So this meal is just so delicious. It's very simple to make. You can do it in your food processor, or as we're going to be doing it today, in the blender. It is healthy, it is delicious, it's lemony, garlicky, it has that chickpea flavor. It's the Middle East in a dish. Everywhere you go in the Middle East, you will have this in any home. So I'm showing you how to make it the way they make it there in the Middle East. Now everybody has a different way of making it, so don't argue with me. But I'm showing you how we make it in our household. All right, so we have 1 can of chickpeas. We have our evu in there, and our extra virgin olive oil, and we have our lemon juice that we put in there. We're gonna give that a great blend. Hey, if you enjoy fun food fact videos and delicious recipes just like this, then hop on the food plane. Please subscribe. We just added our cumin, our garlic, and then we're gonna add our tahini. Oh yeah, now the secret to this is that cup of ice cold water. That's what's gonna give it that. We're gonna also add our salt. Now salt to taste. However, in the Middle East, you will find that they do like, you're gonna taste the salt in your hummus. All right, so we put our ice cold water. We put basically all the ingredients in there, and we're gonna give that a nice blend. Now that ice cold water is what gave it this palish look that you're seeing here, and it emulsifies the acid and the olive oil, and creates this beautiful dip, this beautiful paste that we call hummus. And there, look at that. Oh, that is sexy. That is nice. That is delicious. You got the health benefits coming from the garlic, the evu, the chickpeas. There's just so much goodness in here. The tahini. This is a very healthy meal. All right, we're gonna plate our hummus, and oh man, it's just. Let me tell you something. I have this very often in our household. This is beautiful stuff. Okay, so now we're gonna make a little presentation here. We're gonna little Picasso here. All right, so we have our olive oil on top. We're gonna add a little bit of smoked paprika, and remember that red onion and that parsley. Yep, chop it up, and we're gonna add that right on top. Oh my gosh, warm up some pita bread, and just break bread with friends and family, and just, oh man, people, you got to try this. If you've never had hummus, please try it. Sprinkle that parsley on top for that finishing touch. Thank you so much for watching. Hey, I think we might have to stay in the Middle East for even next week. There's so much food to discover here in the Middle East. Well, what will be next? What will be in the next episode? I think we're going to stay in the Middle East. So hey, join me. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. See you next week.
Thank you. Bye.